So the landmark for the Chinaman Waterfall is the Grand Resort and Madhusagar. At at this point where you see the board for Grand Resort, you need to take this path, this road. This road leads to Pratapgarh. So you need to take this left right at the corner of Madhusagar and head down. Yeah, you'll see another board for Grand Resort, and you need to take a left from there. So at this junction where you see the signboard for the Grand Resort, you need to take this left path and walk for around 10 minutes. At 10 minutes you will reach a fork in the road where you'll see a small village. So you need to take the left turn and walk down the rocky path which leads to the Chinaman Waterfall. So when you reach this fork in the road, you need to take this route down and head for another 15 to 20 minutes to the Chinaman Waterfall. This is the wrong path. If you take this, you'll head towards Sunset Point. This path leading down is the path to Chinaman Waterfall. So you'll see a few houses here, and you listen to the children and villagers speaking. So you need to go here and head down this path. So this trek is a little a little difficult because it's not a proper path as such. It's got big rocks, and one needs to be a little careful while walking on these stones because they're pretty slippery. But it's a very beautiful route through dense forest. This is how the forest looks, and yeah, you just need to be a little careful walking on these stones. So now we're nearing the Chinaman Waterfall because we can hear the sound of the waterfall, but it still seems to be some distance away. This is how the path looks. Dense forest on both sides, and it's just a thin walking path through dense forest. One needs to be careful about leeches because a few leeches attacked me, so just be a little careful of leeches that are there in these bushes around the path. So as we get closer to the Chinaman Waterfall, you can hear the voices of people, so I'm sure we are pretty close now. Just a few more steps and we should be there. In fact, I can see some people up ahead. Let's check it out. So this is how it looks. So this is the woodcutter that we saw in the forest. Maybe that's his family. And it opens up here. There are some people here. This looks like a small stream of water. A lot of local people having a bath, washing their clothes. So there's a bunch of langurs over here, and yeah, it's a small waterfall. There you are. finally we've made it to the waterfalls, and this is how the view looks. We're still not getting a great view of the waterfall, but one can go between these rocks and spend some time in the water. There are a lot of village kids here having fun in the water. So this is the view of the Chinaman waterfall. We finally got it. This is how it looks. The most amazing view. Hmm.